Rita, anong na-excite ka po na iPhone 7? What makes you excited for iPhone 17?
Well, I've always had like an iPhone for as long as I can remember. I've tried other phones as well, but parang lagi lang akong bumabalik sa iPhone. And every time that it introduces a new one, the latest model, they always have exciting additions. So I'm so excited to know what that's going to be. I really purposefully did not look at the new features para ma-excite ako at pag nag-unbox ako for myself.
Good. Siyempre, speaking of, na-excite na kami dahil magbabalik movie ka na. Tell us something, kumusta na ang film ninyo ng Manila's Finest?
Well, I'm down to my last day. So my last day is going to be in November. So, but yeah, I'm enjoying it. I think it is just the perfect amount of like work to reintroduce me back into the system for myself.
Nilabas na yung teaser recently. Ang daming natuwa kasi nakita na kayo yung glimpse ng mga characters dito. Your thoughts on that?
Well, I was one of those na when I saw the trailer, talagang parang ako in awe. Because for one, I am very, very excited to see the whole film to be put together because of our director. Our director kasi is like super good with cinematography. So like top caliber talaga. So for me, yun yung inaabangan ko. Sabi ko nga, habang nagsushooting kami, bakit naman po Jaryo lang yung nasa screen, pero maganda pa rin. Ganun siya kagaling. So, I can't wait to see everything.
Nahirapan ka ba?
Hindi ako nahirapan. Well, one, because I really accepted this film because it wasn't going to be so demanding. It's just right. Parang, kasi sabi ko, ayoko naman pumasok na parang, wow, sobrang mega acting na ako. Kasi, I need to ease back into the whole thing, right? So, when I saw the script and it wasn't that demanding, that's one of the things that made me say yes. So, hindi ako masyado nahirapan. Medyo, parang, ano ba yung tawag doon? Parang medyo may konting awkwardness lang in the first day. And then, after a few things, nag-warm up na ako. And yeah, it's like I've never left.
Pwede ba ito? Magkaka-other offers sa mga teleserye?
Actually, I've had offers already. And parang, it all boils down kasi to my, kumbaga the things that would make me say yes to. So meron akong listahan na ganun. And wala na ako sa space na parang tanggapin mo lang para lang may project ka. Parang ganun. Tapos na yun, kabataan ko yun di ba? So ngayon, gusto ko, tatanggapin ko kasi gusto ko maging proud sa gagawin ko.